Today I'm going to discuss about slow metabolism and 6 tips to help you boost your metabolism and thus lose weight. Always remember, the higher the metabolic rate, the easier it is to burn more calories and thus lose weight and keep it off. So if you're interested in finding out how this can be done, do watch the video till the end. Hello friends, my name is Madhura. I'm a diet and a fitness coach. My channel is about helping you all to lead a healthy and an active lifestyle with the help of various health and weight loss tips. So if you're interested, do click on the subscribe button below. Before we move ahead, let us understand what is metabolism. Whenever we eat food, the calories from our food are mixed with oxygen and are converted into energy that our body uses for its internal functions. So, even when we are at rest, our body continuously needs energy for its internal processing. This process of the body of converting the calories we consume into usable energy is termed as metabolism. A person with a slow metabolism will gain more weight even with a less food intake compared to a person with a faster metabolism. There are many factors that affect our metabolism, such as our genetics, our age, the diet, exercise, our lifestyle and our body weight. Out of these, there are some factors that are not within our control, like our genetics and our age. Muscle atrophy, which is also known as muscle wasting, is a condition where you start losing muscle as you begin to age. So if you don't do anything to build your muscles, they will start wasting as you begin to age, and that starts as early as in your 30s. As you slowly lose muscles, you will start gaining fat. Studies also suggest that you can lose up to 8% of muscle for every decade after the age of 40. Losing muscle will definitely slow down your metabolism. But there are other factors that are within our control and can be improved in order to improve our metabolism, just like our diet, our exercise, our weight and our lifestyle. I'm going to share with you 6 tips to boost your metabolism, lose weight and burn fat. Tip number 1. Don't skip your meals. It is true that you need to reduce your calorie intake in order to lose weight, but having very low calories or skipping your meals for a very long period of time is definitely going to slow down your metabolism. If you're eating a very low calorie diet for a long period of time, your body is slowly going to adapt to the new low calorie intake and will then start preserving the calories and slow down your metabolism. This low calorie intake will definitely help you lose weight initially, but that will not be sustainable. And as you start eating and taking in calories, you will start gaining weight really fast. Do avoid any kind of extreme diets and always aim for a very healthy and sustainable weight loss. Eating frequent, portion controlled meals will definitely help you boost your metabolism. To know a little more about this, do watch this video that I posted in earlier. Second tip is to improve your protein intake. For every food that we eat, our body actually needs some calories to digest that food and absorb the nutrients from that food. These extra calories burned by our body is called as the thermic effect of food. Protein is a little heavier to digest and thus your body needs to burn a little extra calories to break down this protein and absorb, thus increasing the thermic effect. This raises your metabolic rate by 15 to 30% as compared to 5 to 10% in case of carbs and 0 to 3% as in compared to fats. Increasing your protein intake will help you burn 100 to 200 calories extra per day. Protein also keeps you full for a longer period of time and thus avoids overeating. Having large portion of carbs without good protein intake throughout the day will definitely disturb your sugar cycles and slow down your metabolism. This will also make you feel tired and keep you hungry throughout the day. But this does not mean that you need to have a very high protein diet. Just try and include 25 to 30% of protein in every meal that you have. This protein can be included in the form of eggs, chicken, fish, legumes, pulses, milk, paneer, curd or even your favorite protein shake. So remember, do increase your protein intake to boost your metabolism. Tip number 3 is to include strength training in your workout routine. You can boost your metabolism by building lean muscle, and lifting weights is a great way to build those muscles. For every kg of muscle, your body burns 28 calories, as compared to that for fat your body needs and burns only 8 calories. So a person with a higher muscle mass will burn much more calories even at rest as compared to that with a person of a higher fat percentage. Adding strength training for at least 2 to 3 days in a week will definitely help you burn more fat than just a simple cardio workout routine. Strength training can include lifting weights at the gym or exercises using your own body weight. If you're a person who loves cardio and does not like hitting the gym, then do try and include HIIT, that is high intensity interval training, for at least 3 days in a week. Both these workouts, strength training and HIIT, will definitely help you boost your metabolism and burn your calories for hours even after you've finished your workout. So go for it. And the fourth tip is to move more throughout the day. Having a daily exercise routine of 45 to 60 minutes is very important, but sitting for the rest of the day is not very helpful. If you have a sedentary lifestyle where you need to sit for long hours, that is definitely going to slow down your metabolism. So the secret to boosting your metabolism is to move more throughout the day. A few ways of doing this could be try and walk while you take your calls, or stand up for 5 to 10 minutes while you're working. Also try and use the staircase in place of an elevator. You can also park your bike or your car a little farther away from your destination so that you need to walk a little bit. You can also avoid taking your vehicle for short distances where you need to purchase groceries. You can set alarms to help you remind to get up after every hour and move around. All these small activities throughout the day are definitely going to help to boost your metabolism. The fifth one is to stay hydrated. We all know water is important, but did you know that your body needs water to process your calories too? Yes. So if you're dehydrated, your body is definitely going to slow down your metabolism. Try and increase your water intake and do drink water in the right way to help you stay hydrated. To know if you're drinking enough, do watch this video here. I've also put the link in the description box below. Drink water as soon as you get up. Also drink water 40 minutes before your meal and 1 hour after your meal. Water will help you stay full for a longer period of time, thus reducing your calorie intake and helping in weight loss. Another very important tip to boost your metabolism is to get enough sleep. In our busy lifestyle today, we feel that sleep is a waste of time and thus don't pay much attention to it. But if lack of sleep will disturb your hormones and your sugar cycle, it will also slow down your metabolism and thus lead to weight gain. Two very important hunger hormones are disturbed because of lack of sleep. They are ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin is a hormone which signals our brain when we are hungry, and leptin tells our brain that we are full. In case of lack of sleep, these hormones are disturbed and ghrelin levels increase whereas leptin reduces, thus leading to a lot of cravings. Good night's sleep will help balance your hormones, also boost your metabolism and help you lose weight. Improving your lifestyle is completely within your control, so don't blame your increasing weight on genetics or age. Making small changes to your diet, exercise and sleep routines will go a long way in keeping you healthy and fit. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family. I will see you soon with another informative video. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy.